What up guys, Ben Oberg here on the way back to day 2 of 10X Growth Con. Look, real quick YouTube video here. You guys need to get with the right people. You need to be networking with the right people. I see a lot of people that are new to entrepreneurship or new business owners, and they don't see the point in investing time, investing money, investing to be with the right people. And here's the thing, like, for example, I paid several $1,000s to be here. I made that back times 10, made connections that will end up earning millions, and people don't look at it that way. So by staying small, acting small, doing small, and not making the investments, you're really screwing up and you're prohibiting your business from growing, you're prohibiting yourself from growing, and that's not good. Like, I brought my girlfriend, brought a friend, we're here to learn, you know? And I don't know everything. I'm doing well. Did 7 figures last year. There's people doing 8 figures. There's people doing 9 figures. There's people here that have taken companies public by the age of 29. There's people here that have bought companies for $2 million and sold them for $4 billion. So you need to be humble enough to put yourself in front of the right people, put yourself around the right people, and be willing to make that investment, all right? The investment's in yourself. You're not spending any money. You're gonna get back tenfold what you put in just by being around these types of people and surrounding yourself with an environment like this, okay? So I wanna see you here next year, and anytime somebody approaches you that knows what the frick they're doing and has massive success in an area that you want to have success in, don't be afraid to make the investment, and don't be a bitch and choose to do nothing, because nothing is not an action. Nothing doesn't grow you, nothing doesn't grow your business. So want you to make the investment, take the time to do what you need to do, go all in. And when I say go all in, that means having complete focus on one thing in one direction, getting it to work, getting it monetized, getting a system, getting it scaled, and then you can go off and get your next income stream, and your next income stream, and your next income stream, etc. All right? So if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel already, make sure you do subscribe. If you want that 8-figure entrepreneurship, if you want to learn those skills, because everything I learn, I'm dripping down to you guys for free here. So subscribe to the channel. And what I want to know in the comments is, what are you going to do this year to build your business higher? What are you going to do this year to invest in yourself? Drop it in the comments. I reply to every single one of my comments. I want to know from you guys what it is that you're going to do this year, okay? What are you going to do to blow up your business? You need to be committing more time than you're committing. You need to be investing more money. You need to stop thinking that when you pay for advertising, you're losing money. Only reason you lose money advertising is because you don't know how to advertise, or you have a bad product, or you don't provide value. So invest in yourself, invest the time, invest the money, invest the energy, get around the right people. All these people are going, all right? Appreciate you guys. Let me know in the comments. I'll see you in the next video.